Welcome. In this video, we are going to learn Linux convert image to ASCII using GP2A converts JPEG images to ASCII. Let's open up terminal, install GP2A tool for JPG to ASCII converter, type apt get install GP2A. Here you can see that installation is started here. GP2A installation is done. Note that GP2A converts only JPG to ASCII. Let's download JPG file from Google. Open a browser, type Linux images. Here you can see that image. Let's save it on desktop as kali.jpg. Back to terminal, type jp2a root desktop kali.jpg. Here you can see that Kali image ASCII code. Let's download Google image. Type jp2a root desktop google.jpg. Here you can see that Google logo in ASCII code. So that's it in this video on Linux convert image to ASCII code. Thank you for watching this video.